Yes. Second part, exercise 6.3. All of you keep quiet. 6.3 exercise. First question, third part, we are going to start with. Boys, quiet now. Last bench. No talking at all now. This is a figure in which we want to find the value of x. Always remember, whenever we are having a triangle in which interior angles are there. जो interior angles होंगे, exterior नहीं है, वहां पे we will apply in angle sum property. With the angle sum property, we can find one angle of the triangle if rest of two are given. If you see it carefully, two angles are given to us. कौन-कौन से? 90 and 30. And we will find which angle? X. By using which property? Angle sum property. चलिए, let us start. In triangle PQR, you will write 90 plus X plus 30. This is equal to 180 degree. And mentioned here angle sum property. साथ में आपको mention करना है angle sum property we are using, right? Now these two are like terms. They will be added. So you will write 90 plus 30. 120 plus X is equal to 180. Then you need to find the value of X. 180 will shift it to another side. But you don't speak in group. When I will ask you only, then you give me the answer. It creates indiscipline in the class. X comes out to be 60 degree. This is our answer. X की value आपके पास 60 degree है. Now I am doing fifth part. See the fifth part of the same question. Fifth part of the same question. Let me make the figure first. Here all the three angles which are interior to the triangle, they are unknown. तीनों के तीनों नहीं हमें पता, but all are equal. That means X. So you will write here X plus X plus X. 180 degree angle sum property. X plus X plus X is equal to 180 degree angle sum property. And in algebra, we have learned that how to add the terms. X plus X, 2X, 2X plus X, 3X. So you will be having 3X is equal to 180. So from here, X will be equal to now in exam, this question can be framed as MCQ like this. If in a triangle, each angle is equal, then what will be the measure of the angle? 60 degree. अगर किसी ट्राइंगल के तीनों एंगल्स हमारे पास इक्वल हो जाएं, then उनकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 60 degree. Each angle will be of 60 degree. And if in a triangle each angle is 60 degree, that triangle is known as equilateral. किसी भी तरह से आपको MCQ आ सकता है, ठीक है? हाँ जी. Now rest of the parts I'm leaving to you. That is your homework. Quite. हाँ, आ सकता है. Yes. Let us start with second question. Question number second. Second question we are going to start with Bete, Jason and this boy. Boy. So why are you not bringing your book? Both of you are without book. What you are doing there then? Second question, first part. Now see, this is the figure in which you can see that we are having all type of angles. That means I mean to say that we are having interior angles and we are having exterior angles as well. That means to find the values of X and Y, we will use all type of properties. 1 minute. One by one we will target. You know, whenever we are given that angles in the triangles and some certain angles are to be find out, तो एक चीज हमेशा याद रखना, जो एंगल्स हमें नोन है उनकी हेल्प लेनी पड़ती है. सपोज आई एम फर्स्टली टेकिंग द हेल्प ऑफ 120, तो आई शुड सी दैट दिस 120 ये कौन से अननोन एंगल्स के साथ बैठा हुआ है, y के साथ. मितार्थी, can you tell me the relation between y and 120? If you remember lines and angles chapter we have done, y and 120 they are forming what kind of angles? Linear pair, because straight line angle तब होता है जब दो से ज्यादा angles हो. I told you when there are three angles तब भी sum 180 होता है, but in that case angles are more than 2. But if on a straight line there are two angles, they are better known as linear pair. And what is the characteristic of linear pair? Sum is equal to 180. देखो इस क्वेश्चन में आप लाइंस एंड एंगल्स का कॉन्सेप्ट भी यूज करोगे और ट्रायंगल्स का भी. राइट डाउन हियर y plus 120 180, रीजन बीइंग लीनियर पेयर. रीजन जो आपने यूज किया वो आपका है लीनियर पेयर. टुमारो इज वेडनेसडे, हमें एक दो दिन लगेंगे अभी ये एक्सरसाइजेस कंप्लीट करने में. एनी हाउ चलो कंप्लीट करके एक बार फाइनल चेकिंग भी लेंगे. ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारे पास. साथ साथ अपनी कॉपीज कंप्लीट करते जाओ. जैसे ये चैप्टर खत्म हुआ मैंने फाइनल चेकिंग के लिए कॉपीज मांग ली. मैंने सारी कॉपीज बच्चे सेंड कर दी. यस बच्चे लिसन, y इज इक्वल टू 180 minus 180, so answer is 60 degree. So you are getting y to be 60 degree. Now there are two methods to find x. If you want to go with the exterior angle property, then you can write x plus 50 is equal to 120. Sum of two interior angle is equal to opposite exterior angle. But if the children is say that we like angle sum property most, then they can write x plus y plus 50 equal to 180. y की वैल्यू आपके पास ऑलरेडी है, ऐसे भी फाइंड कर सकते हो. You which property you would like to apply angle sum? मेरे को खुद angle sum property ज्यादा पसंद है. Write down here x plus y plus 50 120 sorry 180 angle sum property. Yes, अब इसमें आप y की वैल्यू फाइंड कर चुके हो. राइट डाउन y टू बी 60. y की वैल्यू 60 है. सो x प्लस 110 180, x plus 110, this is 180.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Now see, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am, now it is okay.
Okay. चलिए, yes. So using angle sum property, by putting the value of y, already we have find out 60. We find x to be 70 degree. Let us start with the second part. Second part, we are going to start with second question. Second question, second part. It is 50 x y and then 80. Drink some water. 50 x and y. Don't comment in my class, I'm telling you. X 60, x 50, y and then 80. First of all, I'm looking at this 80 and I'm just judging that with help of this 80, can I find y? You know, they are vertically opposite angles. In lines and angles chapter, we have done this, that in case of intersecting line, if vertically opposite angle exists, they will be equal to each other. सीधे लिखिए आप, write down here, y is equal to 80 vertically opposite angles. Y is equal to 80 vertically opposite angles. Y is equal to 80 vertically opposite angles. Now you go out. Now you can see that in the triangle, y we have find out, x we need to find, and 50 is there. Again, inside the triangle we can apply angle sum property. So write down here, x plus y plus 50, 180 angle sum property. Value of y right now we have, अभी भी कुछ लिख नहीं रहा बेटे, अभी भी नहीं लिख रहा. उठ यहाँ से, उठ जा. नहीं उठो, अभी साथ साथ लिखो. Everyone is noting down side by side. You are not special one. Harmeet Singh, keep your bag down. Go there and write side by side. Yes. Replace value of y by 80. Y की value 80 put कर दो. Replace y by 80. Now this 80 plus 50, this comes out to be 130. 80 plus 50, that is 130 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 130. So x comes out to be 50 degree. x की वैल्यू हमारे पास कितनी आ गई? 50 डिग्री. Third part you will do yourself. Turn over the page. Even fourth part will be done by you people yourself. Third, fourth homework है आपका. I am discussing fifth part. Second question, fifth part. Second question, fifth part. This is the figure in front of you. And firstly, as we did in the previous question, it is very much clear that y is equal to 90 using the concept of vertically opposite angles. And now all the angles, they lie in the interior of the triangle. So you will go with that angle sum property. You will write x plus y 180 angle sum property. So you are having 2x plus y एक मिनट, अभी पुट करेंगे वैल्यू. So you put the value of y to be 90. Y right now we have find out it comes out to be 90. So I'm replacing y by 90. Plus 90, it shifts on the another side will become minus 90. Keep quiet and note it side by side. 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. So 2x is equal to 90. So x comes out to be multiplies 2, goes on the another side, will get divided. X is 45 and y already we have calculated. It is 90. Let us do the sixth part. Shut your mouth. Do it silently. Second question, sixth part. Last bench quiet. Second question, sixth part. We are going to start with. Make the figure on your notebook. This is the figure with the help of which we need to find the values of x and y. हमें इस फिगर की हेल्प से x and y की जो वैल्यू है उसको फाइंड करना. First of all, see, this question is a little bit different than that of the previous and the other one. यहाँ पे हमें x and y की जो वैल्यूज है उनको फाइंड आउट करना है. This question is different than that of the previous question in this sense that in this question no numerical value is given. हमें एक भी वैल्यू पता नहीं है. Otherwise, if we know one value, we find the other. We are not knowing even a single value. Everywhere we can see that variables are there, unknowns are there, x and y's are there. Then how to proceed? This is the main thing of this question. First of all, you know, all the x, they are outside the triangle and we don't know the any property for those angles which are outside until or unless they are not exterior. इसका मतलब इनकी कोई प्रॉपर्टी हमें पता नहीं है. मैं यहाँ पे मार्क करने लगी हूँ एंगल 1, mark it to be angle 2. Angles inside the figure I am marking angle 1. हाँ जी. क्योंकि हमें दिया नहीं ना हुआ लाइंस पैरेलल हैं, ये दिया ही नहीं हुआ. Listen. So you know, I am marking 1 and 2. I want every angle outside to get inside of the triangle, and that very intelligently will do that. You see, my target is angle 1. Can I write angle 1 is equal to this x by using the concept of vertically opposite angles? That means this one comes out to be x by using the concept of vertically opposite angles. And if I consider this 2, this is also equal to x using the same vertically opposite angles. That means this 2 has also come out to be x. Now the thing is, inside the triangle, we are having two angles each equal to x, but the third angle is y. So we can't find the angle in that sense. That means if we can convert this y in x, that will be very useful. Can I write y equal to x? That is 2 by using the concept of vertically opposite angles. Write down also this y is equal to x using the concept of vertically opposite angles. Using the concept of vertically opposite angles. All the angles, interior angles, we find in terms of x. So now we can go to the interior part of the triangle and we can apply the angle sum property. Write down now. पहले जो आपने नेमिंग करी हुई है, जो आपको नेम दिख रहा है एंगल का, we will write that only. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus y. This is 180. Angle sum property. Firstly, whatever name I have given to the angles and whatever is written, I am writing that only. Afterwards, I will use whatever I have been deducting. Putting the values, 1 is equal to x, even 2 is equal to x, even y is equal to x. Each angle we have made the conclusion that is it is equal to x only, x ke equal hai. So x plus x is becomes 3x. X comes out to be 60. एक मिनट पहले तो when someone is asking the doubt, you are supposed to keep quiet. हाँ.
मैम जो आपने जैसे एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस y लिखा है, उसकी जगह सीधा नहीं हम लिखेंगे x प्लस x।
नहीं, पहले हम लिख दें फिर बाद में. हाँ. So that we can explain in better way that why I am replacing, how I can take 1 to be x and all. Last bench quiet. Let us see the try these, which is below the exercise. हाँ जी, कौन सा third part? What you can say about each of the interior opposite angle when the exterior angle is acute? When the exterior angle is acute, what you can say about two opposite interior? I have made the figure on the board. You can detect it very easily. When this is acute, matlab ki it is less than 90 degree. So you can see that opposite interior, they are also acute. They are also both acute. Write down, if exterior angle of a triangle is acute, then both opposite interior should be acute. पिछला क्वेश्चन जो रहता था वो है, if exterior angle of the triangle is acute, then the opposite interior, both the opposite interior should be acute. देखो मैं एक एग्जांपल अगर लूं, ये acute है ना, सपोज मैं इसका लेती हूँ 70, तो 70 दो एंगल्स का सम बनेगा 20, 50, 30, 40, whatever, they must be acute. Right? So if one exterior angle is acute, then the opposite interior angle should be both acute. दोनों के दोनों acute होने चाहिए. Is it okay? देखो जरा, ये एंगल अगर acute, मैंने acute बनाया. हाँ जी, listen बेटे, look at the board. Second bench, you are asking me, then listen to me. This is acute. तो ये भी दोनों एक्यूट ही होंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल मान लो मैं ये 70 ले रही हूँ, एक्यूट एंगल लिया मैंने, एक्सटीरियर 70, इसने ऑपोजिट दो का सम लिखना है हमने. कोई भी आप ग्रुप बना लो, 10, 60 दोनों एक्यूट, 20, 50 दोनों एक्यूट, 30, 40 एक्यूट, 40, 30 एक्यूट, 50, 20 एक्यूट. यानी कि वन एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज एक्यूट, देन ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर मस्ट बी बोथ एक्यूट. दोनों के दोनों एक्यूट होने चाहिए अगर बाहर वाला एक्सटीरियर एक्यूट है तो. Now below exercise 6.3, there are 3 try these which we are going to start with. There are 3 try these which we are going to start with. First try this. An exterior angle, two angles of the triangles are 30 degree and 80 degree. Find the third angle. Write down. Let the third angle be x. अभी भी तेरे को शर्म नहीं आई. Now you are making drawings. दूसरा सबूत. Yes. Let the third angle be x. So now 30 plus 80 plus x 180. This is angle sum property. 30 plus 80 plus x. This is 180 angle sum property. So 110 plus x 180. X is equal to 180 minus 110. Third angle come out to be 70 degree. Third angle be x. Let us start with the second question of the same try these. One angle of the triangle is 80 degree and other two angles are equal. Other two angles, they are equal to each other. Then find the angles. Write down. Let x be the measure of each equal angle. Let x be the measure of each equal angle. मतलब कि ऐसे है कि हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल में वन एंगल 80 दिया हुआ है और बाकी के दो इक्वल है एंड आई सपोज इट टू बी x each. One angle is 80 and rest of the two are equal. I am taking it to be x each. Solve it and get the value of x. Yeah.